YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419. Back with another video, man. Yes, sir. You see what we got out here? Magnum sitting outside. Chevy Impala. We got the Durango inside right now, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all want to do a cold start on the Durango. You know what I mean? Went out of town for a day. I had to put it in the garage. Took the Magnum out of town, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Pushing it on the road. But yeah, this y'all see the Durango in the garage, man. Something that's a rare sight. You feel me? Got the room. Yeah, got the room. Or my Escalade could barely fit in here. I had a long body ESV Escalade. I'm talking about, I had to push that mug all the way up to the wall. This is basically on the wall like this. Pressed against this cardboard. But yeah, man. Big Durango shit. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a little quick update video. Nice little probably 4 or 5 minute video. Look how dusty this is. I'm talking about dusty. I ain't drove this, look. I ain't drove this in like, man, probably in 3 months, man. I've been starting it up though, but I ain't drove it in 3 months. Basically, I'm just want to say update video. This is definitely going to the shop probably within another 2 weeks, man. We gonna do the front subframe on this, you know what I mean? I am shooting this video as in October the 12th. Yep, October the 12th. So because like I said, I shoot videos and then I don't post them for like probably like months later. So shooting this October 12th right now, Saturday. Yeah, man, this is going to the shop. Get the subframe replaced. I do start my cars up too, if y'all don't know. So make sure you still start your cars up, even though you don't drive it. I should have got it off, cause I don't think I moved it probably in about 3 months, about 2 months, sitting on these same side. And I'm pretty sure this probably almost flat. Need to buy a new tire for that, cause it's a lump right here. I think that's where my air coming out at, but probably just need to be resealed. But go ahead and buy a new tire for that, man. Yeah, man. Dusty. Update for this, like I said, going to the shop probably about 2 weeks. Put a new subframe on. Still gotta buy some more extra shit that I didn't buy yet, that I said I was gonna buy. Ooh, my camera is dirty right quick. Hold on. Alright, it's just the glare is gone. But yeah, still gotta buy some more things. Some more accessories that I still have not bought yet, man. For the let me put this on charge, matter of fact. I think it's been off about a week. Shit, but excuse me, shit. Still gotta buy some more alright. I'm dusty as hell. Still gotta buy some more accessories I wanna buy for a couple cars. Might buy for this. I think I'm gonna buy for the Impala and the Magnum for sure though, but you know what I mean? Something to spice up interior though. But let's do a cold start on the Durango right quick. Cold start. Cold start. Here we go. Super loud, man. Hope y'all can still hear me. Let me back up right quick. Super loud, super loud. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'm gonna buy some things for the for the Impala. Or maybe not for the Impala right now. Probably buy something for the Magnum. You know what I mean? But yeah. But update on the Magnum too. I had to replace the thermostat, man. Cause I remember I told you I put a 180-degree thermostat in here. Had to replace it, man. Had to replace the thermostat in here, man. I put another 180-degree in here, man. So. But they ain't lying when they say damn, this screen dirty too. They ain't lying when they say 180-degree thermostats going out, boy. That motherfucker sure went out, man, for sure. But let y'all know still definitely gonna do something to Magnum, probably like interior wise, probably like about if I don't do it this year, I'm gonna definitely do it next year, man. So probably gonna do a star ceiling. I'm just gonna get that away. Probably gonna do a star ceiling in that motherfucker, man. But we'll see. Also got I want to upgrade the head unit in that motherfucker too, though. So yeah, man. But yeah, that's just an update video. I put it, like I said, I put it at 180-degree thermostat in the Magnum. And I'm surprised they had a 180-degree thermostat. Surprised they had it. Had like an option in AutoZone, man. You know what I'm saying? So got a 200-degree thermostat, which come in the car, but I have to do 180-degree in. But yeah, man. But you see, Durango, 52,000 miles, man. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. We also gonna do, like I said, on the update. Definitely gonna put some tires on this back of this Durango, man. Like I said, I had these tires for like since March. So yeah. Need to put the tires on, man. So these tires is going through. So your boy Young Rich 419. Peace.